Question number 62. A machine gun that fires 360 bullets. The number of bullets is equal to 360 per minute. Time is equal to 1 minute. That is equal to 60 seconds. The velocity of each bullet V is equal to 600 meter per second. The power of gun P is equal to 5.4 kilowatt. If the mass of the each bullet, mass of each bullet, see this is the gun, okay, this is the bullet. Now we can find out this bullet of mass is moving with velocity is given, okay. We know the power is equal to work by time. The work is equal to kinetic energy. The kinetic energy number of bullets n into half mv square by time is equal to power. Then what we can find is the mass of each bullet, the small n we can find it, take the cross multiplication p into t into the 2 is also taken by the 2 by n into v square is equal to small m. Here the 2 and power is equal to how much is there, the value is there 5.4 kilo means 10 power of 3 into time t is equal to 1 minute, that is equal to 60 seconds divided by n is equal to number of bullets is there 360 into v square is nothing but 600 whole square is equal to small m. That we can solve. We are getting this phi is m is equal to 5 into 10 power of minus 3, that is equal to 5 grams. Okay, what is the value that is given? 5 grams. The next, see the question number 65. Next, see the question number 65. A man mass 60 kgs. Man mass is the 60 kgs. The lift a 15 kg mass to the top of a building. Height is 10 meters in 5 minutes. The H is the efficiency. What we can find the efficiency. Now efficiency is equal to power of output by power of input into 100%. Power of output by power of input. Power of output, the power is nothing but work by time. The work is nothing but mgh by time is of a output by the power of input. Power of input is equal to mgh by time into input 100%. Here initial output, the output, how much of the mass is there? The man is lift. The lift of mass 15 kgs. See the output how much is there? 15. Now we can write here the 15 into g into h by time. Time how much is given by the 5 minutes. So the time is given 5 minutes. Convert into a second. 5 into 60 divided by. And input means the total mass, man of the mass and lift of the mass. See that we can write the 60 plus 15 into gh by time how much is it? 5 into 60 into 100%. Now 5 into 60, 5 into 60, gh cancel, that is equal to 15 by 60 in 75 into 100. Then we are cancel this is the 5 times. 5 into 20, that is equal to 20% of the efficiency. Next, question number 68. Question number 68. A train is moving with uniform velocity. V is equal to given 2 I cap minus j cap plus 4 k cap meter per second. If the force required to overcome, the F is equal to I cap minus 3j cap plus 2k cap into newtons. The power of the engine is power is of engine is the power is equal to, we know the F bar dot V bar, the force into velocity. The force, how much is there? I cap minus 3j cap plus 2k cap into dot velocity. Velocity how much is there here? 2 I cap minus j cap plus 4k cap. Now again here the dot product. The in dot product, what is there here? The I dot I is equal to j dot j is equal to k dot k is equal to 1. Remaining I dot j is equal to j dot k is equal to k dot I is equal to 0. Now again say that 1 into 2, 2. Minus into minus plus 3 into 1, 3. Plus into plus plus 4 into 2, 8. That is equal to 8 plus 3, 11, 11 plus 2, 13 watt. This is the power of a engine. Next see the 71. A pump of 200 watt. The power is equal, how much is gained by there? 200 watt. Is lifted 2 kg water per second. The time is equal is given 1 second. And mass, the lifting of mass is equal to given 2 kgs. The average of the depth is nothing but below is given by the 10 meters. The velocity with which water come out of the pump is, the V is equal to how much? See, this is the well. This is considered the well. Here the water. Okay. Now is the depth. The depth is there 10 meters. Now here the pumping of a water through a pump. Now say the power. So what is the formula for the power? The power is nothing but to say the work by time. Power is equal to work by time. Now here the work is equal to potential energy plus kinetic energy. The potential energy is nothing but mgh plus kinetic energy is nothing but half mv square by time is equal to power. But here is given by the power. Power is equal to how much is given by the 200 is equal to mass 2 kg. G is equal to, the G value is given 9.8. Height is nothing but depth is there the 10 meters plus half mass is there the 2 kg. Then find the velocity v square by time is there 1 second. The 1 into 200 is equal to 98 into 196 plus 2 gets cancelled v square. See it is taken this side 200 minus 196 is equal to v square. 4 is equal to v square. The v is equal to 2 meter per second. 74. A 2 kg stone is swing in a vertical circle by attached to the end of a stick. This is the vertical circle. Now the center is O and string is attached. Its length is 2 meters. The string can be stand with the tension. Here the tension T is producing by the 140.6 Newton. 140. The maximum speed of the stone can be rotated. See, this is the position of lower position A and it's moving with velocity is the V maximum. See, we can find out the V maximum is equal. Then when is the lower position, the tension is equal to formula T is equal to mv square by R because of its radius is considered by the R equal to the length plus m into G. Now tension is equal to how much is given by here. The tension you take the 140.6 is equal to mass. The mass of a stone is given by there is a mass of a stone is m is equal to 2 kg. M is equal to how much is there here? The 2 kg. Substitute here the 2 into v square by 2 plus m is the 2 into 9.8. See here 140.6 is equal to 2 gets cancelled v square plus 19.6. Now take this side 140.6 minus 19.6 is equal to v square. This v square is equal to 121. The v is equal to 11 meter per second. This is the maximum speed of a stone is there, 11 meter per second. Now the next question number is 87. 87. A body of mass m that traveling with velocity 10 meter per second collision head on the elastically with a body of mass 4 kg traveling at a speed of 5 meter per second in opposite direction. The velocity of the second body after collision. See, here is given, but this is the first body. He is moving, this is the direction. See, its velocity u is equal to u1 is equal to 10 meter per second, and its mass m1 is equal to is given by the 6 kg. And another body is the traveling to the opposite direction. Opposite direction. Now its velocity u2 is equal to is given by the 5 meter per second. 5 meter per second. The minus is indicating opposite direction, and mass of m2 is equal to is given by the 4 kg. Then find out the velocity of v2. We know that the elastic collision, the final velocity of v2 is equal to 2m1 u1 by m1 plus m2 plus m2 minus m1 by m1 plus m2 into u2. Now here the above value substitute on here. The v2 is equal to 2 into m1. M1 is equal to 6. u1 is the 10 by 6 plus m2 is equal to 4 plus m2 is equal to is there 4 minus m1 is the 6 divided by 6 plus 4 into minus 5. Now can write here the 120 by 10 plus minus 2 divided by 10 in minus 5. Then we have to take here the cancel for, okay, the minus into minus plus 5 how many times are there? 2 times. 2 gets cancelled and is there a 12. That is equal to 12 plus 1, that is equal to 13 meter per second. See, question number 91. A neutron moving with certain kinetic energy, the collide on with atom of mass number A, the fractional kinetic energy returned by. The fractional kinetic energy means the mass of neutron, Mn is equal to what is present? M. The mass number is nothing but the sum of mass of proton plus mass of neutron. That the mass number A is equal to mass of proton, what is considered by the X, the mass of neutron is considered by the Y. This is considered the equation number 1. Now we can write the mass number Ma is equal to, now we can write the mass of proton is denoted by the m into x plus m into y. The m is taken by the x plus a, that is equal to Ma is equal to m into a. Now the first particle, this is the neutron, is moving with initial velocity there u1 and its mass m1 is equal to consider the m2. The another particle is at rest. Another particle is rest. The u2 is equal to 0. That m2 is equal to mass number, that is equal to m into a. We know the formula for the kinetic energy rest is equal to m2 minus m1 by m1 plus m2 into whole square into kinetic energy initial. Take the ratio, let's take this side, kinetic energy rest by kinetic energy initial. Kinetic energy initial is equal to m2 is equal to how much is there here? M into a minus m1 is equal to m by m1 is the a and m2 is the ma whole square, that is equal to, now we take it for the common for the m, a minus 1 by a plus 1 whole square divided by m. M gets cancelled. mm gets cancelled, that is equal to a minus 1 by a plus 1 whole square is equal to kinetic energy rest by kinetic energy of initial. Kinetic energy of initial. See, this is the 90. Next we see the 95. A 1 kg ball, the moving at 12 meter per second collide head on with the 2 kg mass ball moving in the opposite direction. See, this is the first ball. He is moving with velocity u1 is equal to 12 meter per second and mass m1 is equal to given by the 1 kg. And the collide with another ball is moving in opposite direction. Opposite direction. In opposite direction, its velocity u2 is equal is given by the minus 24 meter per second and its mass m2 is equal is given by the 2 kg. After some time, the two are collision. So this is the during collision. After that, the two are separation. Its mass m1, its mass is the m2 and velocity is v1, velocity is v2. And the velocity of each ball after impact, the coefficient of restitution, the after collision, coefficient of restitution E is equal to 2 by 3. Then find out the velocity of v1 and v2. We know that the v1 is equal to m1 minus E m2 by m1 plus m2 into u1 plus 1 plus E into m2 into u2 by m1 plus m2. This is the v1 and v2 is equal to 1 plus E into m1 u1 by m1 plus m2 plus m2 minus E m1 into u2 by m1 plus m2. Now here is the values are there, m1 u1 and m2 u2, m3 e3. Now substitute here. Then first of all v1 is equal to m1 is equal to how much then 1 kg minus E is equal to 2 by 3, m2 is equal to 2 kg or bracket into u1 is equal to 12 by 1 plus 2 plus 1 plus E is equal to 2 by 3 into m2 is equal to 2 kg, u2 is equal to minus 24 divided by 1 plus 3. Now we are getting, this is the answer is minus 28 meter per second. And then the find the v2 is equal. Now substitute here the 1 plus E is equal to 2 by 3 into m1 is the 1 kg, u1 is equal to is there 12 by m1 plus m2 1 plus 2 plus m2 is equal to 2 kg minus 2 by 3 m1 into 1 kg into u2 is equal to minus 24 divided by 1 plus 2 and the total we can solve. We are getting the answer is there, it is equal to minus 4 meter per second. This is the v2. A ball A moving with certain velocity colliding with another ball B of the same mass at rest. See, this is the first ball. Say A ball is moving with velocity v u and mass is m1 is equal to m and another ball is b at rest. At rest, this u2 is equal to 0 and its mass equal to m. This is the m2 is equal also m. Now there are the colliding after their separation. P1 and V2, A body and B body after collision, during collision, before collision. Before collision. See, the coefficient of resistance is E, the ratio of velocity of A and B. The ratio of velocities of A and B. The velocity of A and B means here the u2 is equal to 0. Then substitute, we know the formula. V1 is equal to m1 minus E into m2 by m1 plus m2 into u1. And similarly we can write here the V2 is equal to 1 plus E into m1 u1 by m1 plus m2, because here the u2 is equal to 0. There is no u2 term. Now the dividing v1 by v2 is equal to m1 minus E m2 by m1 plus m2 into u1 divided by 1 plus E into m1 u1 by m1 plus m1 plus m2 into cancel, and u1 is gets cancelled, and here the m1 equal to m2 is equal to m. Now then we can substitute here the m minus em by 1 plus E into m, that is equal to v1 by v2. That is equal to, take the m will be the common, 1 minus E by m into 1 plus E. Gets cancelled, that is equal to 1 minus E by 1 plus E, v1 by v2. Now question number 103. Two identical balls A and B having velocities 0.5 minus 0.23 meter per second respectively, colliding elastically in one dimension. The velocity of B and A after collision respectively will be. See here, the before collision and after collision. See, the mass of the colliding particles are same. So in elastic collision, they exchange of velocity. The exchange of velocity means the initial velocity u1 is converted to the final velocity of v2, and u2 of initial velocity converted to the v1 of the velocities. That is the exchanging of velocities. Next, 104. A particle moves from point, that is the point is nothing but position r1 minus 2i cap plus 5j cap to 4j cap plus 3k cap r2. When the force is 4i cap plus 3j cap Newton is applied, how much of the work has been done by the force? The work is equal, what is the formula is there? Force into displacement. The displacement is nothing but change in its position, f dot r2 bar minus r1 bar, f into f is equal, how much is given here, the 4i cap plus 3j cap into r2 is equal is there 4j cap plus 3k cap minus 2i cap plus 5j cap. Now you can write here the 4i cap plus 3j cap. See here the j is not there, j is there, minus to minus plus 2i cap 4j cap minus 5j cap, there is a minus j cap, and plus 3k cap, but then you can write the plus 3k cap. Again we can apply dot product between these two one. I dot I is equal to 1, j dot j is equal to 1, and k dot k is equal to 1. But here the k is not there, it's negligible. 4 into 2, 8 plus into minus 3 into 1, 3, and 8 minus 3, that is equal to 5 joules is a work done.